All right, got another egg cutting. It's Ryan and Cheyenne again. Today we are gonna do a egg cutting on this clutch right here, which is we did have 7 eggs. One went bad. One's on the verge of going bad, but we're gonna see if there's a baby in it. Pairing, as you guys can see, is a cypress het clown male to a yellow belly double het clown pied female. She laid on September 7th. They're due on the 6th. Today is day 52, so we are going to cut and see what we got. Hopefully everybody is far enough along. First one we're gonna try is gonna be the egg of choice here. And we are shooting for a Allgener, so a cypress yellow belly clown. Hopefully, again, it's a het to a het, so kind of understand if it's going to be a little disappointing, but we'll see what we got. Hopefully this one is alive. And we got a snake in here. I can barely get this open. First one is a cypress clown. Look at that. That's in that. I guess I can't see it, but get a better view here. We hit the fucking jackpot on number one. That makes me so happy. Look at that beauty. Look at the pattern on that. Isn't that cool, honey? That is a cypress clown. Could be yellow belly as well. I gotta make sure I class this right, but we hit the jackpot on the first snake, and it is responsive. So I'm happy I didn't throw this one away. But that is a cypress clown. Sweet. And last time we did a visual clown to this same mom, we did not get so lucky. We only made one visual clown, which was very, very saddening. So hopefully this isn't the only one. Just go down the line to the next one. We'll cut it the cool seasoned breeder way. Ooh, that is a cool one. That's a really cool pattern. That could be another clown. Wow. Wait till you see this, honey. Look at that. Look at how crazy that looks. That's insane. Oof. That is tough to tell without seeing the head. If this isn't a clown, then this is definitely both codoms in it. It's gonna be, if it's not a visual clown, it's definitely a cypress yellow belly, which I can't recall if I've even seen one yet, but I'm sure they're out there in different combos. But oh yeah, this isn't a clown. That dorsal stripe's a dead giveaway. That's not a clown. That's not a visual clown. So that's one crazy visual though. And then since it's not a visual, it'll be 66 possible het clown, and then all of these babies are going to be 50% het, 50% possible het pied, which depending on what we want to do, we might get a few of them shed tested, but that's crazy. Baby number 2. All right. Baby number 3. Looks like another het. Looks like that one could be a, I almost feel like there's fucking 2 snakes in here. Just by the looks of it, it looks like a yellow belly, but I want to say because of that dorsal, but the dorsal doesn't really give away what it is. It could be a normal, but not as fantastic. Definitely doesn't look like it's cypress. Next baby, move this out of the way. This one's tough to tell. Lots of goop. Pattern is just as crazy as mom's pattern. There's our little head. It looks like it could be, I mean, it could be another yellow belly cypress. It could be another, yeah, it could be another yellow belly cypress. Crazy sidewall. That's definitely from mom. Otherwise, I'm not seeing the orange pattern that we have on the other one, so this one could be just a crazy looking yellow belly. But we'll see when you come out. Lots of egg goop. Thanks for getting that all over me. Little dude. All right. Next, let's clean up the station here real quick.